Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is the Tennant B5 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace a damaged or bad charger cord. Super simple, this is how you do it. Go ahead and unravel your charger cord. Now there are two Torx 25 screws that we have to take out to drop the console. Now be sure to brace the bottom of the console or it's going to drop down. Now what we need to do is let it come down a little bit. That exposes the other side of the charger cord. So inside the console here, this is exposing the other side of the charger cord. Now you want to remove this Torx 25 screw right here. Just like that. And now we can unplug it. Just like that. Now, when you get your new charger cord, if you need to, you want to reuse this old clamp that holds the charger cord to the machine. To reinstall, just reverse the steps, plug it back in. Make sure you reattach the ground wire. Now just line up the screw with the hole and tighten it back down. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to lift the console back up and put the other two bottom Torx 25 screws back in. All right, next, be sure to raise it up on the bottom part of the console and then line your holes up and screw back in the Torx 25 screws. Now the last thing we need to do is go ahead and re-wrap the charger cord to the back of the console just to get it up out of the way. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.